It's amazing how close you get to people when you're all going towards the same goal.
The vision for this program was to be able to help create opportunities for students within the logistics and supply chain industries.
Miami is great for logistics and supply chain management. You have the port, which is one of the largest import ports here in the country.
The pillars of this program, the things that we really focus on are logistics technology, data analytics, and the third is the business acumen and the industry connections. It's a 10-month program, and the amount of information that is covered throughout that time is pretty amazing.
The FIU Business School is unique in the sense that it teaches you leadership subtly in a way that you don't even know that you're actually learning.
We actually did site inspection to actual logistics companies. We get to meet the CEO who explain different aspects of their operation.
A lot of our professors have strong industry connections, and we're constantly trying to make sure that students are presented to companies that are actually working within this space.
One of the things that I'm proudest of is how we help train our students to enter the workforce. And this goes beyond just what they're learning in the classrooms.
They care about the students, they care about how they're going to go on to their careers and their futures.
My experience in class thus far has been very unique in that the cohort is a group of diverse individuals with unique business backgrounds.
We are Florida International University, and this program reinforces that international part, which I think is a really kind of great learning experience for the students to get exposed to what these industries are like in different parts of the world.
We have such a diverse class, people from different background, different culture.
I have a friend now who she is from France, and she brings so much knowledge, and she has been in the logistics and supply chain management field for over 20 years. You learn a lot from the people who are around you and surround you in the program.
When employers are looking to bring in a great diverse team or to recruit amazing diverse talent, they come to FIU Business specifically for that.
If you're interested in this program, do it. Don't second guess it. I'm very grateful and proud of it. It's rigorous, it's rewarding, and it's fun.